I'm Justin Botter here at the NuMinds Enrichment booth, and we're actually getting lots of great conversations with teachers and districts about our curriculum. So what I want to do is just take a few minutes to really kind of unpack our curriculum, share some examples with you so that you can share with others, and if you have questions, please reach out and let me know. So first of all, I've got this set up the way that the kids will experience it. So they may come in and they see different items, different pieces of material, and so we are able to send these to you as part of our curriculum package, where you may already have some of these items and we'll consult with you. The kids come up, they get this kind of cool stuff, and then over here you see a challenge card. Now our material is intentionally tiered out, where there's a tier 1 challenge, tier 2, and tier 3, and if you'll notice, they're all open-ended. So even a kid who is able to hit level 3 and continue to move on still has depth and complexity framework to work with. They have independent research projects. So I'll show you some of that inside the curriculum in just a second. This is a challenge card. It's all based on a narrative. And so this one is actually called Kid City. Tons of fun. The narrative is the kids have gone to the United Nations and they've asked for their own island. Now, this is one of 32 different types of curriculum units that we sell in different levels. So by all means, I want to show you what this one looks like. You see these fun activities? These could be 45 minutes. These could be an hour for a kid. However, when you really get into the curriculum, this could be the entire 6 weeks unit. So what I have here is an example of the curriculum. We're going to dive in and just go a little bit deeper. All right. So like I mentioned, the kids are able to see the narrative. They're able to see the levels of challenge. We have integrated mathematics. We have integrated social studies, geography, science. Now, in particular, we're talking about safe water crossing. And so even on safe water crossing, we're hitting all the sustainable development goals. This gives us a chance to really have kids problem solve real world problems that are being addressed right now with the United Nations. Okay. As an example of like a level 2, we even have different types of bridges. And so kids can be able to explore the engineering challenge deeper, thinking about those supports and structures, and even making scientific observations. How much weight can they hold? How steady was it? Okay, now let's go to the teacher side, because this is the kid. The kid's showing up having a good time. Maybe you have them even recording their scientific experiments. Let's look at the Kid City curriculum. Now, not only do we have anticipated vocabulary, not only does it align to national and state standards, but what I really love about this, our curriculum is written using an inductive 5E model and a step-by-step approach. So, as a teacher, you could read this, you could take the kids step-by-step, or you may even have our videos that we send to you, where you watch those and get an idea, or check this out, you can even show those videos to your kids. So once again, students come in, they see this station, they can watch the video, then get started right away. Or maybe as a teacher, you want to start with some mastery questions, maybe a warm-up question. So now let me go ahead and slide over here to the station that you're looking at, which is all about the safe water crossing. You see a couple things here. First of all, the different levels. Here's the inductive approach. And look at this. Once upon a time, a race of aliens known as the Vogons decided to build a space highway. This would be a spaceship to travel very quickly and efficiently. And they made plans and suddenly realized there's a planet right there where the Earth was going to... There was a planet right where they were going to build. No worries, they said, we'll just blow it up. They looked up the name of the planet and it was Earth. Now, if you're familiar with a lot of gifted strategies, this is a divergent type of question. It's a parallel model of thinking, meaning we have the kids asking the question of how would they feel if suddenly they found out the Earth is going to be blown up? Well, the reason we have to build this safe water crossing is because next to your island is a coral reef. And so how do you speak for those who can't speak for themselves? So a really cool ethical paradox, a really cool discussion, Socratic seminar opportunity. And again, I'm just only on step 1 of this curriculum. So as you can see, short, fun activities, full-blown 6 weeks. I'll keep going and show you. Not only does it continue to tier and have assessments and extra resources, you can move into level 2, into level 3. And like I mentioned earlier, we even have divergent questions, depth and complexity questions, and opportunities for independent research for every single one of these stations. All right. I hope it's given you a taste of our curriculum and the way that the kids experience it. Man, I can't wait to hear more and hear your questions and hear your needs. For Justin at NuMinds, thank you so much. I look forward to hearing from you.